from Telangana. Betasing today witnessed a large number of people participating at the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra held at the Betasing Block Multi-Facility Centre, where speakers emphasized the need for community participation and development. The event also saw a presentation by a self-help group from the block headquarters titled Dharti Ke Kahe Pukar Ki, showcasing community-driven initiatives. The personal stories of beneficiaries under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin were also shared in the segment Meri Kahani Meri Jubani. The event further underscored the commitment to the slogan TB Harega Desh Jeetega, emphasizing the collective effort to eliminate tuberculosis. Various insurance schemes promoting health, including the Insuring People Insurance Health Initiative, were also discussed.